Hi everybody, welcome back. It's been raining for 4 days. We're in Mud.l again. The horses are out there. All right. Good morning, Ginger and Chloe. I see you over there, Nesta, buddy. There you are. Yeah, eating at the hay trough in the morning. Well, 4 days of rain. Everything's wet again. Man, I can't wait for it to stop raining. It's not supposed to rain this week, so we'll see. Donald and Daisy don't mind. Nope, they don't mind. Our fence is coming along. We're almost done on this side. For the chicken village, the duck village. It goes up there to the barn. The only thing we got left is put some lights on the posts like those. And to get the gate in here, right between these poles. And then we get to work on the fencing around the goats. It's a slow, tedious process. Me and Lisa doing it ourselves, so it's taking us a while. And because we had all this rain, the goats don't like to come out of the barn. Right, Mina? She's like, nope, I'm staying in here. It's hard to see her. All right. Ugh. We're stuck in the mud. All right. Hi, Nesta, buddy. You look happy. No blanket on today. It's supposed to be 50. Eating your hay. Out here with Chloe and Ginger. All right, well, tell our friends to hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and we'll see them tomorrow. Today's going to be a short video because of all the rain we had this week. Thank you for watching.